In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood on your PC or laptop, even though there isn't a standalone desktop application available. Many users wonder if they can access Robinhood outside their mobile devices. And the great news is, you absolutely can. All you need is a web browser and a stable internet connection, and you'll have access to all the essential features Robinhood provides right from your computer. Let's get started by preparing your device. First, open a web browser of your choice. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other trusted browser installed on your PC or laptop. If you're not sure which browser to use, Chrome and Firefox are both very popular options and offer excellent compatibility with most websites, including Robinhood. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official Robinhood website. The address you'll want to enter is do.robinhood.com. It's really important to make sure you're on the official website to protect your personal information and prevent any chance of falling for a phishing site. Double check the URL before you proceed and look for a little padlock icon next to the address. This indicates the connection is secure. Now you'll see the login page. Go ahead and enter your Robinhood account credentials. These are your username and password you created when you first set up your account. Take your time here and be sure to keep your information private and secure. Never share your login details with anyone. If you use two-factor authentication, you might be prompted to enter a code sent to your device as an added layer of security. After successfully logging in, you'll find that you have full access to Robinhood's features, just as you would on your mobile device. From here, you can review and manage your investment portfolio, research stocks and cryptocurrencies, make trades, and keep track of changes in the market. All the familiar tools you're used to using through the app are available on the website, and the layout is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. A helpful tip: because you're on a larger screen, it can often be easier to view charts and analyze data, making the desktop experience a great complement to the mobile app. And if you ever need assistance, Robinhood offers support and educational resources right from their website. That's all there is to it. Just remember, always log out when you're done, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident using Robinhood from your computer.